Today we're heading to a tropical paradise of Phuket and taking a closer look at one of its standout luxury escapes, the Crest Resort and Pool Villas. Located on the southwest coast of the island, just outside the busy area of Patong, this resort sits on a lush hillside overlooking the Andaman Sea. It's perfectly positioned for peace and privacy, while still being only 10 minutes away from Patong's nightlife, shopping, and restaurants. The resort features approximately 144 rooms and private pool villas, all designed with a modern, eco-friendly style. Many rooms include private balconies, sea views, and even direct pool access, perfect for couples, families, or a relaxing getaway. The best time to visit Phuket is between November and April. During these months, the weather is dry, sunny, and ideal for beach days, island hopping, and enjoying these incredible sunsets over the ocean. Nearby attractions are another big advantage. You're close to beautiful spots like Freedom Beach, Paradise Beach, and even Phuket Old Town, known for its colorful streets and local culture. But honestly, you may not want to leave the resort at all. With its stunning infinity pool, full-service spa, fitness center, panoramic dining options, everything you need is right here. What truly makes this place special is its peaceful atmosphere, surrounded by tropical greenery, and elevated above the coastline. It feels private, quiet, and completely relaxing. So if you're planning a honeymoon, a luxury holiday, or just need a break, Crest Resort and Pool Villas is definitely worth considering. This is a beautiful place, there's no doubt about that. But unfortunately, it's not right on a beautiful sandy beach. Actually, Freedom Beach is about 700 meters away, and Patong Beach, which is a very large beach, very long beach, is 1.2 kilometers away. Not that far, but not convenient. But this is still a 5-star resort. The reviews are pretty good, not the best I've seen, but pretty good, at 8.4 out of 10, but with over 9,000 reviews. That's on Agoda. I will leave the link to Agoda in the video description if you want to get more information and check out the prices on your dates. Looking about 2 months ahead right now, the price is around 2,500 baht per night. That's before taxes, or $78 per night, which is really good in my opinion, considering the prices of hotels in this area are rather high all year round. And this is a 5-star resort. I think the prices are very fair. The downside, like I said, it's not right on a beautiful sandy beach, but you have to admit, the views out over the ocean, especially in the evening, pretty spectacular. All right, guys, there it is as always. Thanks for watching. If you're new here and you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you on the next one.